Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we went to IKEA. I have shot a couple of clips, so basically just us going into IKEA, looking at one or two things. I got a little bit awkward when I was trying to film, so I thought it was best that I didn't. So we spent 178 euros, which is just mental.
That'd be a bit weird.
I think it's kind of classic. It's like red. Belts, ties, scarves, and handbags. Nice. Okay, so it's blinking. But what we did buy a corner table for out in our hall. We're going to change that. I also bought a chair, and then I also bought some frames and vases. So we're going to have frames like this, and we're going to put it on this wall. So this whole area is going to be reorganized. Stuff in my house is really starting to annoy me. I know we're renting, but I just want to do it up a little bit more. We've been here for over a year and I haven't really done anything to it. So what I'm going to do is just reorganize this whole area, take all this stuff off it. We also bought some storage bins, so that's another thing that will be organized, I suppose. There's not much we can do with this area. The way our telly is set up, it has to stay in that space, so there's not really very much we can do there, although I would like to change it because again it really annoys me. But yeah, we'll see how it turns out. And then yeah, so I have a corner thing for out here in the corner where those sticks are down there, and I'm going to take down that that shelf. We don't need that shelf. So yeah, so that really is like a little mini haul, but I'll take more video of when I have these things made and when I've reorganized. So we're gonna do that. Robert doesn't know, but that's gonna happen this weekend, hopefully. Uh-oh, look what I started. I shouldn't start moving things around in our sitting room and dining and living room and study area. Oh my god, look what's happening. So don't mind the state of the area. Obviously we are just trying to figure out what's happening. So this painting I moved, it was over up here on this wall. This couch was here against this white wall. These two were just up against the radiator. The table was here, kind of more center at the radiator here. This was flat against the wall. I just kind of twisted it. We are going to put together another chair that goes there. And out there we have set up the little console table. So yeah, a lot has been happening. Plus I just noticed that there is dirty marks on the wall, so that will need to be painted too. Ugh. Hey guys, it is Sunday the 7th of June and today I have very big plans which Robert doesn't know about. I showed you yesterday, so just like about probably 2 minutes ago in the vlog, that the wall over here needs to be painted because there is just black marks because I moved this. So basically what is happening is we're gonna go and buy some paint. Robert doesn't know, he's not gonna be happy because he's probably gonna be the one that has to paint. So yeah, also today there is a festival on in our town called June Fest. So we're gonna go check that out and see if there's anything interesting there. And that is it for Sunday. So I'm sure the rest of this vlog will just be us painting. So this is a new thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna kind of take little snippets of my day and put together a vlog, especially at the weekends. It will give us more incentive to do things. So yeah, that is really it, guys, and thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I will be back soon. Bye.
In a 38-hour huge pop countdown, it's Charlie.